We still, okay, that's the Streambot VIP shout out. The ads messages, how do you do that? Yeah. Oh, I thought so. So it's like Nightbot or something like that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. um okay, so that isn't anything I can do right now.
No.
That's fine. Oh, did we fix background music? We did. So that's okay. Sub counter. Prevent clipping. We talked about as well, right? But because it's not an actual Twitch thing, I can't do that for blurb, right?
Well, is Blurb an audio output on your Streamlabs or Stream Elements or whatever you use?
Yeah, it is.
Then you should be able to adjust its volume down for whatever its output value is. So you could prevent audio clipping.
Okay. Let me head back to this then. Ugh. So this is the the thingy.
Yeah.
I don't think we can.
Okay, unclick shutdown source for not visible. Because you want it to show up in your mixer there. Um, so close this and then scroll down in your mixer until you can find whatever your blurb thing is actually called on there.
Yeah.
All right, click the little cog wheel. Filters. Up. Edit filters.
What?
Add a filter. Down. Down. Image, crop, gain, scaling, render, color correction. Okay. There's no limiter function, so you might not be able to do anything about it here.
Okay.
Click gain and show me what your options are.
Whoops.
Okay.
It's just gain.
Okay, so it's absolutely just gain, so that's not helpful for our purposes. Because that would boost the input volume. But
Which
it's
is a
loud
good
enough.
thing
The
to
issue being
know.
that it's too loud.
Yeah.
Yeah, because what I would use in OBS is a limiter that limits the maximum output it can do.
Okay.
But that's not an option here. So yeah, the only thing you can do to prevent clipping is lower its output volume. But
Okay, we just did that, so I'm not too
yeah.
worried for that. Just that they tend to play over each other.
Yeah. Oh, for that, yeah, there's nothing you could do unless you're editing it in the blurb settings itself.
Yeah.
And I don't know anything about doing that because I don't use blurb.
Well, for some settings you need a subscription, which was also infuriating. Whoa, I cannot even pronounce that, but it was very upsetting. Let's see. Edit. Enable rewards. Title. Oh, I can actually do that.
Okay.
Volume override.
Reward volume, special type override. Nope, that's not it.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
What does it mean then?
Uh, well, it's going to affect the volume of other things that are already playing, which is not what you want here.
Oh, okay. I gotcha.
Scroll down. There's more options down. Channel cooldown, limit per stream, limit per user. Okay, so those are normal rewards things.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So by the way that this is designed, it looks like they have set it up so you can't affect any of the delay, which means that they should not be overlapping.
Yeah. Okay. Well, if we can do anything about it, that's fine, but I was just checking because it's kind of weird that some things are happening, you know, in stream. Um,
Yeah.
I actually don't hear that when somebody redeems the blurb settings as well. But I'm happy it's playing now for you guys because it wasn't
I
at
didn't hear that
first.
one.
Mm-hmm. I don't. So
Yeah.
whenever
Wolf, did you hear that one? Because I didn't hear that one.
you didn't?
You hear
Oh,
it? Weird.
right? So when a raid comes in, I don't hear it as well.
Okay, so in your blurb alerts or your channel alerts from Twitch, there should
Oh
be an
my god.
option for monitor mode.
Come again?
Click on your channel alerts from Twitch, whatever you named it, I don't remember. Over in your mixer, in your audio settings. Um, okay, so it's just called Twitch. In your audio settings there, required tracks, global. Okay, so you see monitor and output there. Audio monitoring down.
Yeah.
So monitor and output should be outputting all those sounds to your headphones as well as to the stream. So if you click on that and open your drop down menu there. So monitor off would mean that you wouldn't hear it and only the stream would. And then monitor only means only you hear it and the stream doesn't.
Oh,
So you
that's
should be hearing all of
interesting
these.
because when I put monitor only, I hear it, but stream doesn't.
Yes, that's how that's designed. Monitor only is only you.
Oh, okay.
And that would be useful if you were running like a timer or something and you wanted to know when 5 minutes was, but you stream didn't need to know it for whatever reason.
Okay. I gotcha.
But yeah,
Oh,
that's you should be hearing all of those. So
I'm
that's
not.
strange.
Mm-hmm.
Unless your headphones aren't picking up certain tracks for some reason, but it seems like you've set that to all 5 audio tracks, so I can't speak specifically to that.
I'm not even sure what any of this means.
So,
Oh my god.
so for the tracks there, those are audio output tracks. So, you remember old record players and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Um, on some recordings, the music is on one track and the vocals are on a second track.
Yeah.
So if you're only listening to, say, the left track, you only get the music, and if you're listening to the right track, you only get the vocals.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what this is. It's the audio set into 4 different channels for 4 different things.
But okay.
But
So
like you have all these things playing out on every channel.
yeah, exactly, because I don't know. So for example, can I just, this is not good, right? To have this off.
No, because it has to be on track 1.
So
But
when is this important? Is it,
if you're trying to separate your audio for recording for whatever reason, like if you're recording and you only want the gameplay audio, you
yeah.
could turn off your microphone.
But does it output then to like different waves if I were to edit it in Adobe, for example, or is it still just the one
Um,
soundtrack?
I can't specifically speak to how everything exports everything, but like
Mm-hmm.
what it looks like is it would record, say, your desktop audio on tracks 1 and 2.
Yeah.
But if you were telling Adobe to only record audio from track 2, and your microphone was only outputting tracks 1,
Yeah, yeah,
you'd only get your desktop audio in your output because track 1 is playing to Twitch, but track 2 is playing to all channels that are recording.
yeah.
So
Interesting. Okay. That's maybe something I also have to do outside of stream. Um, I think that was it for now. The other
okay,
things I just need to do by myself, I think.
all right. Well, I'm glad I was able to help. Not really at all.
Let's just see for a second. Yeah, I think so. I mean, you can still hang out. That's not a problem.
Yeah, I'll hang out for a bit.
Yay.
See if I have any thoughts.
Okay, so
I'm gonna go make my coffee though.
yay, koffietijd. You go ahead and do that.